Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you something special. I am going to show you how you can find a working method at the real time while you are sitting to make trades in your real account so that you can make profit. So watch this video very carefully because it is going to be extremely helpful for you. And if you also want to copy my trades automatically by using the social trading feature of pocket option, then do join my free telegram channel. Link will be in the description of this YouTube video. Now without doing any delay, let's get into our main topic. So in this video, what I'm going to do is, in other videos what I used to do is, I used to find out the working strategy and then make a video and show you by telling that this is working at the real time. But in this video I'm going to show you how you can also search a working method so that you can make profitable trades. So now without doing any delay, let's get started, and don't forget to like this video. So first thing you do is you make all of these currency pair favorite that has over 90% payout, and then select these candles. Yes, we are going to use 5-second candles because it will be easy for me to demonstrate you how you can find the working strategy. Now second thing you need to do is, if it is flag at here like this, make it clock and select S5 as your trading time frame. Now your candles are also 5-second and your trading time frame is also 5-second, and then click on this and let's use an indicator today called parabolic ACR. We have been successfully using this indicator to make profitable trades. If you haven't watched my previous video where I have shown you how I was able to turn my $10 into $2,500, I will give that video link in the screen anywhere at the end of this YouTube video so you can watch it. Now with parabolic ACR it is very simple. Whenever the parabolic dots are forming below, then that means it is an uptrend, and whenever the parabolic dots are forming above the candles, then it is a downtrend. So now we'll firstly make trade of a little bit less amount in order to find the working method. Okay, we are going to make trade of $10 in each trade. So previously what we used to do is, whenever parabolic dots are above the candles, okay, and whenever the second dot was about to form, at that time we make trade by clicking on lower, and whenever the parabolic dots are below, forming below, and the second dot was about to form, at that time we used to make trade by clicking on higher or this buy. Okay, so now in this video we'll try to find out what is working in this parabolic. So one dot have formed here, okay, and second dot in 1 second it have formed. Okay, now we have 5-second time frame. So as you can see, first dot here formed, second dot here formed. We made our trade wrong. Anyway, no problem, we'll switch to another currency pair, okay, and try to find out some entry point where we can make like in 2 second dot or third dot. If you see here in third dot, the trade could have gone right. Now here also a third dot have formed, but here your trade could have gone wrong. Okay, this kind of thing you need to notice. So let's switch to another currency pair and try to find out the, I'm not going to make any edits to this video, so you can watch where one dot have formed. So we'll make a trade by clicking on lower on second dot, okay, and let's see what happens in this trade. We made profit in this trade. Okay, so we have noticed one trade was wrong, one trade was right. Anyway, let's keep on finding other places where we can make trades. Here one dot have formed, now second dot have formed. At that time I have made trade by clicking on lower, okay, and this trade has gone wrong. So now third dot have formed, okay, and it is also a signal of lower, but here you can see your trade could have gone wrong in it also. So you just keep on noticing so that you can decide on which dot you can make the trade. Sorry. So let's keep on finding the place where we can make the trade. Another thing what you can do is you can just simply see the past results, okay, and act according to that also. Okay, you can, in simple way you can do that. So let's now do that because we are not finding any entry point. I just showed you by making few trades. Okay, so we'll see the recent time candle, sorry, dots. Okay, here you can see this dot, wrong trade. Okay, sorry, in this dot your trade could have gone right, Okay, in this dot your trade could have gone right. So in this dot your trade could have gone right. Okay, it is above the candle, and second dot and lower. Okay, similarly in here also it could have worked. Okay, so if you see in the past, so in the falling candles, okay, in the falling candles, whenever the dots are above the candle and second dot is about to form, at that time your trade is going to go right. I concluded to this decision. Okay, yes, I have just shown you surfacely this thing. Okay, but you can see in lots of other charts also in order to confirm, like second dot right trade, second dot wrong trade. Okay, so now not all of your trades are going to go right. Okay, so here you can see second dot and your trade could have gone right at here. So now what we will do is we'll find this kind of place where second dot is about to form and then make trade by clicking on lower. Here you can see the trade could have gone right at here. In this way you can find a simple working strategy and then use it in your real account. If you don't have the confidence at that real time, you can even trade in demo account to make sure it is working. Here you can see second dot have formed and your trade could have gone right. So now what we'll do is we'll make trade of $500 by using this simple theory. So let's find out the place where we can make the trade. So here you can see I have made a trade by clicking on lower. Okay, so let's see what happens. Okay, so we made a loss here. That happens. Okay, no need to worry. So let's keep on finding other place. Here you can see one dot have formed, second dot is about to form, so we made a trade by clicking on lower here. Let's see what happens, and we made profit in this trade. Okay, here you can see second dot have formed, at that time I have made the trade. So now let's keep on finding other places. So if the payout is too low, just cross that chart. Okay, don't make trades in such charts. So here you can see second dot have formed and we could have made profit in this candle. Okay, but we are a little bit late. So let's try to find out other places where we can make the second dot have formed. You could have made trade at here and this trade could have gone in loss. Now what we can do is again search for the places where we can make the trade, or we can also add other currency pairs which has over 90% payout recently. Okay, in this way you can make, sorry, things favorite. So let's again go to the start and try to search. So here you can see here you could have gone in profit. In this you could have gone in loss. So let's try to find out the place. Here you can see in second dot you could have made profit. Sometimes it can be a little bit hard to get. Here you can see first dot have formed, but we are not going to make trade here because we are only making trade in the lower direction. Okay, that's why. So we are going to find out other place where we can make the trade. So now what I will do is I will pause the video, so record the video until I find that place where we can make the trade. Okay, because it will be also boring for you. So here I have found, okay, and I have also made another trade of $500 at here. So let's see what happens in this trade, and we made profit in this trade. So guys, in this way you can start to make trades. So now I have promised you to provide you a video by using this exact strategy. I have turned my $10 into $2,500. Don't forget to watch that. It will appear anywhere at this screen here. And if you want to copy my trades, then do join my free Telegram channel. Link will be in the description of this YouTube video. Take care. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.